Hey everyone, I'm Chos and today I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be eating spicy wings again. This time it'll be 10 spicy wings. On top of that, I'll be adding the spicy Korean sauce. It's a hot sauce that I bought in South Korea, and basically I'm gonna be putting the sauce on these wings. Yeah, so I have done this before, but with I think six 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 wings. So this time I'm going to be trying this hot sauce with doing this hot sauce with 10 wings. So yeah, it's gonna be very very spicy. Hopefully I can finish this video. Yeah, so basically this hot sauce, as you can see here, it has a very it's actually it has a rating of like full spiciness, which is extremely spicy. So yeah, you can see it's all the way to the full spicy level. So yeah, it's gonna be very spicy. Yeah, so okay, without further ado, I'm gonna be putting the hot sauce on these wings. So yeah, so now I'm gonna be applying it on the wings. So yeah, just gonna pour it over. Oh, yep. That's enough of the hot sauce. So basically these wings I bought from a local supermarket. Yeah, it's called the wings that I bought from is called Pezzo. Yeah, Pezzo. Yeah, I bought these wings from Pezzo. Yeah, so okay, I'm gonna be starting the spicy challenge. So yeah, this is the first wing. Yeah, I'm done with the first wing. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, done with the second one. one thing that I realized is that this sauce is not as spicy as the ghost pepper ghost pepper KFC wings. Yeah, like that one I did in my last video, and it was just very bad. Like the spice was so hot, like it was the hottest that I've ever eaten. And basically the spiciness, it sticks within your tongue, and it was so bad. Yeah, it's even, yeah, this is not that bad actually. This is like, it's manageable to in my to me, but yeah. So yeah, this, I think I can finish this challenge. So yeah. Okay, another one down. So I'm halfway there actually. Yeah, I'm left with 5 more wings. So yep, almost. Done. Done. So I'm on the last week now. Yeah, definitely can feel the spice now. I'm done. Okay, so as you can see, I've eaten all the spicy wings and I finished the spicy challenge. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.